Hi, it's a beautiful day in Sandy, Oregon. I'm Nancy. This is Johnson RV. I happen to have a beautiful, brand new 60th anniversary FX Unity 2025 available now. This unit is fully loaded. This 60th anniversary is absolutely gorgeous. The paint color, the interior has the upgraded battery system. That's kind of a plus if you want to do that outdoor boondocking or a little more time. 540 amp hours. Let's take a look inside. This is the white oak interior with the 60th anniversary upgrades. The uppers are a light gray. The countertop has beautiful specs in it. Black fixtures, very, very modern. Very open, very light, very bright. The FX boasts the Leisure Lounge Plus and the Murphy bed. Walk around Murphy bed. How nice is that? This is the 2024 chassis with all the safety features and the beautiful stitching that the 60th anniversary package. So let's take a walk back to the back lounge area. You have this beautiful L-shaped couch. Nice if you want to have some separation of space. There's your bedroom, your living room, and this is like the bonus room. Lots of room. Going into the bathroom, we also find that there's an ample amount of space in the design of this bathroom. When it's closed, it gives you ample space in the lounge area. And when you're in the potty, the door conforms to give you all that extra needed space in the shower and in the toilet area. And then back to the regular floor space when nobody's using the restroom. The compressor refrigerator, convection microwave are all bonuses in this nice, wonderful galley kitchen window that we can look out and look at our campsite. Again, I'm Nancy. I'm with Johnson RV, and I'm here in a 2025 60th anniversary edition Unity FX. Give me a call if you're interested. I can answer any questions you may have. Thank you.